Great news! Your EkiKart station has arrived. Let's unbox and set up your brand new EkiKart device. Let's get started. Your EkiKart point of sale would come to you all in one box and already activated and ready to go. First, make sure all the components of your point of sale system is contained in the box. Once you have unpacked the content of your box or boxes, you should have the POS system, a cash drawer containing keys and a cable, and in certain instances, a standalone printer equipped with paper and a card reader. Please be sure to verify against your order receipt, as some POS machines have built-in card reader and printer. It is important that you connect all the devices before you plug onto the power outlet. Insert the cable from the cash drawer into the POS system and close the drawer. Flip the point of sale on its side and insert the power cable for the POS in the slot indicated, depending on the card reader type. Connect the card reader to the internet via a LAN cable of pair with Bluetooth for the Link 2500. Plug all devices to power and push the power button on the point of sale device. Your device should come up in 5 minutes. Click on the EkiKart app on your device and log on with the credentials that has been sent to you. If you have challenges with any of the steps, contact the account manager on your welcome package in your box or message setup@ekikart.com.